This 12-year-old girl sneezed 12,000 times per day. She said one day it just happened in small spurts and then it just continually got worse and worse, and now she's at the point where she sneezes 20 times per minute. She said that it's painful to try to control them, so instead of actually fighting them, she just lets them out. And at the time this story was released, the doctors had no idea what was causing it, but they assumed this was some sort of tick. Her parents said it was super hard on her because she couldn't go to school, she couldn't eat normally, and she couldn't even drink normally. She had to take small sips. Now, this story was released in 2015, and I tried to do a little digging to find out where she's at now and couldn't find things, so I hope she got better.